In this video, I'll be showing you how you can change your AliExpress account region or country. It's very simple and easy. So on here, all you need to do is, if you're on your home tab here, you tap on your account or you move to your account. That's at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on that there. Good. And now you tap on your settings here at the top right corner of your screen too as well. So let's tap on that. Good. And now we move to our profile by tapping on profile. That's the first option there. And you can see country and region. Currently I'm in Ghana, so I tap on that there. Good. So now I can switch my account. So to switch my account, I just tap on that there, Ghana. Good. So now I select my preferred country from any of the lists, and then I switch to that country of my choice, which I'm not going to do that. So that's it on how you change your region or country of your AliExpress account. Very simple and easy. So there are some stuff you need to take note of if you're trying to do that. So I think their rules is the same as the one on TikTok, so you need to check that. So that's it on how you switch your account region on AliExpress. If you are new here, just give me a like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, you let me know in the comment section. That's it for the video. Peace.